out from the driveway. On the scene, side Alpha. Having an 8-story high rise. Nothing evident. Side Alpha Bravo Charlie. Except for myself, my squad, have everybody else level on stage. All the tactical command.
Copy, East Ward Highway, stay off from the driveway. Nothing evident. You have tactical command.
Squad at alarm.
First space, no. It's 807, you remain in service.
Good, they put 7 in service. Yeah, good.
Thank you, Dave. Did you have a message?
7 wasn't recommended to try to run the call just because it's the 7 bars. They weren't recommended for it.
What was it is?
1349.
What fucking hydrant take? They laid out to the driveway, right? Yeah. So, I mean...
Engine is on, they won't see it one line.
If it's not the one on 59,
turn around on 1 feet.
we'll go the one on Baltimore Avenue, sneak in that way.
Squad on command. Being there, no evidence. Feet NC 44, what's your layout?
Overflow from Baltimore Avenue.
I got the whatever you're on. Tactical safety. Hello, food. Just investigating. And everybody else is on 1 stage. Lieutenant Chief 84, I'm on the scene. I copy to return. Operate command post to be side Alpha.
Come on, people. Got it, stands you ready for command.
Yep, we're standing by. That's well? Yeah. Yeah, but that's... Alright, so... I thought one at the driveway, that was the driveway to me.
Yeah, I think that'd be up. Alright. You want me to stand by here?
We can take left.
Alright.
So that is where. That's, no, we gotta go up. They're supposed to be hitting that hydrant. There's no